You've installed the sensor, you've downloaded the app and registered. You're this close to going toe-to-toe with some great data. But first, you need to connect your device to the sensor. Let's do that. If you've just completed the registration process, the setup will be even easier. Simply select your device and the size of your bag, then tap the Start Pairing button as shown here. A couple of things you'll want to pay attention to. 1. If the sensor has been installed for more than a couple of minutes, it might have gone to sleep. You can wake it up by simply giving the bag a good whack, using at least 30 pounds of force. If the light is flashing green, you're ready to connect. Once connected, this light will change from flashing to solid green, confirming the sensor is ready to go. 2. If you're in a gym setting with multiple sensors, be sure you select the appropriate serial number that corresponds with the sensor installed on your bag. The serial number is located on the underside of the sensor, as well as on the bottom of the box it came in, if you need to check it. If you don't see the Start Pairing button from the last screen, and instead you are looking at the app's main dashboard, shown here, no worries. Simply tap the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then tap Device Manager next to the gear icon. Tap the blue Connect button next to the sensor name. Now, select the bag size you're hitting and tap OK. Again, if you run into any issues, be sure the sensor is awake and the serial number corresponds to the device number you see on your screen. Once the app is properly connected to the sensor, a red Disconnect button will appear. Once this button appears, you've properly paired the app and sensor. Again, as a double check, you'll notice that the light on the sensor that was flashing is now a steady green. Now, tap the Back button on the top left of the screen to return to your user profile. Now it's time to train. But what's the best workout for you? The Aqua Training Bag app has you covered, with a wide range of options to choose from. First, tap the Session button at the bottom left corner of the screen to start a workout. The app offers 2 modes selectable at the top of your screen. Preset mode is the default mode. After you tap the green Start button, you'll be asked to set the length of rounds you desire, 1, 2, 3, or 5 minutes, and the number of rounds, 1 through 12. Tap Save, and if you're ready to go, the Start Immediately button, or let the countdown timer run while you put on your gloves and get ready to strike the bag. From there, a bell will ring when each round starts and ends until the pre-selected number of rounds are completed. Your device will display your punch force in the center circle. The sensor is calibrated to measure any punch over 30 pounds of force. The center circle will light up red when you hit hard enough to register a power punch. The power punch calibration is dependent on your weight class and gender. The total number of power punches per round, total strikes, hardest hit of the round, aka max power, and several other data points will show on your device's screen for each new round. Free mode can also be selected at the top of the session screen. Free mode is just that. By clicking the green Start button, a new round begins of indeterminate length, allowing you to work out on the Aqua Training Bag for 30 seconds to 30 minutes. You can tap the New Round button on the left to take a breather and start a new free mode round up to 15 rounds max. Hitting the red Stop button will end your free mode session. From round timing to power punches, total strike tracking, and more, your Aqua Training Bag will be in your corner every step of the way. It will also store your workout history, showing your progress over time, as you and/or your trainer use the data provided by the Aqua Training Bag Sensor and app to work out smarter. With these great metrics, you'll boost the power, frequency, and effectiveness of your strikes over the days, weeks, and months to come. So, what are you waiting for? Get the workout and results you've been wanting using data and feedback you couldn't get until now. The Aqua Training Bag Sensor and app, the world's first truly smart, heavy bag. Better data, better workout, better you.